Number blocks. Two big and a small number addition. Let's go. 81 plus 94 is equals 175. 92 plus 82 is equals to 174. 86 plus 77 is equals to 163. 89 plus 68 is equals to 157. 82 plus 76 is equals to 158. 74 plus 54 is equals to 128. 98 plus 81 is equals to 179. 96 plus 89 is equals to 185. 96 plus 97 is equals to 193. 88 plus 82 is equals to 170. 88 plus 76 is equals to 164. 78 plus 76 is equals to 154. 78 plus 58 is equals to 136. 84 plus 58 is equals to 142. 68 plus 58 is equals to 126. 68 plus 70 is equals to 138. 92 plus 82 is equals to 174. 96 plus 89 is equals to 185. 88 plus 82 is equals to 170. 82 plus 76 is equals to 158.